Ashley nagkwentuhan habang binubuklat ni Lance ang dalang cookbook sa camp.
You bought this here for cooking?
Yeah.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes. Gusto ko pa kasi siyang makilala kasi syempre taga-ibang bansa siya, so gusto ko rin malaman kung ano yung difference ng dito sa Pilipinas kumpara sa ibang bansa. May balak naman din ako kilalanin pa yung mga iba pang Star Dreamers, pero parang na-curious lang din ako kasi kumbaga foreign yung dating niya. So gusto ko rin parang malaman kung ano po yung mga ginagawa nila sa Australia and ganun. I like the sinigang with ribs.
Ribs?
Yeah, ribs. Have you
Ribs.
tried? Like
No.
beef ribs?
I've tried sinigang chicken. Sinigang...
Chicken?
Yeah.
Is that even a thing?
Yes.
Sinigang chicken?
What? Oh, no. I think it's tinola.
Tinola! You can't cook sinigang with chicken.
Yeah, okay. Oh, no. Sinigang with beef, yeah.
No, Lance, from the beginning, he's very kind and friendly. Through my conversations, we got to know each other a little bit more. Kanina, he brought a cookbook. He told me his favorite dish, like that.
Yeah, beef.
Yeah,
The
and
ribs.
pork. But I haven't tried ribs.
But you know how to cook it.
Yes.
How do you cook sinigang?
Like
what do you put?
there's a mix,
The mix.
diba? And then vegetables. Wait, I think you put the
Pechay.
water.
Pechay. You know what's pechay?
It's a vegetable, right?
The green leafy
Yeah.
vegetable.
Pachoy. Do you put pachoy?
Pechay.
Is it pechay or pachoy?
Pechay.
Ah.
Pechay.
No, I'm pretty sure
Pechay.
it's It's
Pechay.
no, it's not pechay. It's not.
Pechay. The green leafy vegetable, right? Or no? You mean other thing?
No, it's pachoy. It's not pechay.
Jen, alam mo nung pachoy? Pechay, di ba? Pechay. It's pechay.
Yeah, okay.
Kala niyo pachoy. Pachoy ako yun.
Petchay, pachoy, bachoy. Ang labo ng usapan nyo, guys. Pero wait, parang wala namang petchay sa sinigang. Di ba kangkong yon? Kalurks?